What is going on, guys? Today I'm back with another video. Pretty much, a lot of these videos are going to be teaching you how to, use bots. And I'm going to do a video soon on, where are they? Well, this bot right here. And, I can't find it. But I have two generator bots that generate free accounts that I'm going to be doing probably in my next video. Guys, stay tuned for that. It's pretty much how to get them for yourself if you want to, but this is just for server owners, not players, because you can't really do that. But in this one, we're going to be going over Carlbot, which is a lot like Dynamo. Usually people just use one or the other. I use both because Dynamo doesn't have as many options as Carl, and Carl's a really nice guy. Well, I mean, look at that little turtle. Who wouldn't want that? So, if I'm not wrong, this isn't gonna be for you. It's not gonna be the dash. I just can't have all them having the same help command. So it's either gonna be question mark or exclamation mark. So it's gonna be one of those. But you type that in, and he will send you help. Okay. Well, like you see, I already have a different bot, but that has that one. But sometimes you gotta make do, because some bots work in some channels, some don't work in others. But as soon as you see this little green check after you put whatever your prefix is, look in your chats, you get Carlbot. Carlbot, I'm going to leave another link. It's right here. They have more bots that can help out your server. I mean, I didn't use any from there. I did YouTube videos, but like you probably are. But with Carlbot, it's pretty much the same as the first one I did. I'm completely spacing. But he's pretty much a server bot that pretty much manages your server, sorta anti-raid and stuff, but he he's helpful. But you come here on his thing, change his name, edit it all by me, change his prefix. You can, I don't know what this is. Click to enable view PB. Oh damn, that already happened. I don't know what this is, but I mean you can do a lot with him. Let me sneeze, hold on. Bless me. But no, pretty much he can do a lot. Like he can ban, mute, kick, pretty much all the same as the other bot, but the main thing I like Carlbot for, and a lot of people use Carlbot for, is for his self-assigning roles and locking channels. Locking channels helps to not get raided, and also stuff like this. Okay, well, let me show real quick. Not that. Okay. See right here? I have a lot of roles, but I don't have notify when videos drop. I click this, it goes to a 2, and now I have notify when videos drop. So it does cool stuff like that, and also everything else I said. And it's a really simple bot to use, just like Dynamo. That's the name I was thinking of. But I mean, it is really not that hard and super simple to use actually. But if you have any questions, just put them in the comments and I'll try and answer them. But that's pretty much everything. Thank you guys.